Baku is a city that rises from the shores of the Caspian Sea. Its skyline is a blend of ancient history and modern marvels, a testament to its rich cultural heritage and ambitious future. The wind whips through the streets, carrying with it the whispers of centuries past and the promise of days yet to come. It dances through the trees, making them sway as if in a timeless rhythm. The sun glints off the modern towers, casting a golden hue that illuminates the city's progress and innovation. Each reflection tells a story of growth, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. And then you see them, the flame towers. They stand tall and proud, a beacon of modernity and a symbol of the city's fiery spirit. 3 tongues of fire reaching for the sky, their blue glass shimmering like scales of a mythical dragon, reflecting the ever-changing sky. Blue glass shimmering like scales, capturing the essence of both the sea and the sky, a perfect harmony of nature and human ingenuity. These towers are a symbol of Baku, modern, bold, and full of fire. They represent the city's unyielding spirit and its drive to reach new heights. Azerbaijan is a land of contrasts. Here, the old and the new coexist in a delicate balance, creating a unique tapestry that is both timeless and contemporary. It is a place where ancient history meets modern ambition, where the ruins of the past stand proudly next to the architectural wonders of the present, where the echoes of caravans mix with the roar of engines, the ancient trade routes that once connected civilizations now run parallel to modern highways, a testament to the country's enduring significance, where East meets West in a vibrant tapestry of culture. Festivals, street scenes, and daily life all reflect this beautiful blend, creating a rich and diverse cultural landscape. Come with me and let's explore this land. Let's uncover its secrets and experience its wonders firsthand. Let's get lost in the labyrinthine streets of Baku's old city. Each corner holds a piece of history, each alleyway a story waiting to be told. Let's marvel at the ancient rock carvings of Gobustan. These petroglyphs are a window into the lives of our ancestors, a testament to their creativity and connection to the land. Let's taste the rich flavors of Azerbaijani cuisine. Each dish is a celebration of the country's diverse culinary heritage, a blend of spices and ingredients that tell a story of tradition and innovation. This is Azerbaijan, a land of fire and poetry, a place where the past and the future coexist in perfect harmony, creating a unique and unforgettable experience for all who visit. Azerbaijan has been a crossroads of civilizations for centuries. This land, rich in history and culture, has seen the rise and fall of many empires and has been a melting pot of diverse influences. The Silk Road once passed through this land, bringing with it not just goods, but ideas, traditions, and innovations from far and wide. Traders, merchants, and adventurers all left their mark, creating a vibrant tapestry of cultures that can still be felt today. This blend of cultures is visible everywhere, from the diverse architectural styles that adorn the city to the lively cultural festivals that celebrate this rich heritage. You can see it in the architecture, where ancient structures stand proudly alongside modern marvels, each telling a story of its own. The music, with its unique melodies and rhythms, and the food, a delightful fusion of flavors, are testaments to this cultural crossroads. The people of Azerbaijan are warm and welcoming, always ready to share their rich traditions and stories with visitors. They are proud of their heritage, which is evident in their national celebrations and the intricate crafts they create, and they love to share it with visitors, inviting them to be a part of their vibrant community. They will invite you in for tea, a gesture of hospitality that is deeply ingrained in their culture. They will tell you stories of their ancestors, passing down the rich history and traditions of their land. They will make you feel like family, ensuring that your experience in Azerbaijan is not just a visit, but a journey into the heart of their culture. Step back in time in Baku's old city. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a maze of narrow streets and ancient buildings. You can almost hear the echoes of merchants and caravans. Explore the Palace of the Shirvanshahs. Climb the Maiden Tower. The old city is a feast for the senses. The smell of spices fills the air. The sound of traditional music drifts from tea houses, and the sight of intricate carpets and ceramics is a feast for the eyes. Section 4. Where the Earth Breathes. Just south of Baku lies Gobustan National Park, a place of extraordinary natural beauty and historical significance. This is a place where the earth breathes, where the ground itself seems to be alive. Mud volcanoes gurgle and bubble, creating a mesmerizing and almost otherworldly landscape, Ancient petroglyphs tell stories of a time long past, etched into the rocks by the hands of our ancestors. These carvings are thousands of years old, a testament to the enduring human spirit and creativity. They depict animals, hunters, and scenes of daily life, offering a vivid snapshot of the past. They offer a glimpse into the lives of the people who lived here long ago, their hopes, dreams, and daily struggles. The mud volcanoes are a sight to behold, constantly changing and reshaping the landscape. They are a reminder of the raw power of nature, a force that has shaped our world for millennia and continues to do so. Section 5. Majesty of the Caucasus. Azerbaijan is home to the Caucasus Mountains. These towering peaks are a sight to behold. They offer breathtaking views and endless opportunities for adventure. Go hiking and explore hidden waterfalls. Go skiing in the winter or simply relax and enjoy the fresh mountain air. The Caucasus Mountains are a place of peace and tranquility,